Good morning all of you. Myself Shizal Sotwal. Today I talk about Save Girl Child and Educate Girl Child. Save Girl Child and Educate Girl Child scheme was started in 2014 by Narendra Modi. It is a very useful and protective scheme for girls because in many states of India girls were die in the womb of mother, and many steps are taken by government to save childs. This scheme is also to this. This scheme was started by Narendra Modi, and the girls were die in the womb of the mother. So the Narendra Modi was started. The peoples are to say save childs. So they are also to female fostericide, and the female fostericide was also decreased. So the people to not female fostericide for the process of sex determination. The process of sex determination is also banned in among all states of India, and this process to know the womb of the mother have boy and girl. So this process was totally banned in our India, and the government of India has to help to take care of the girl child, and the government of India is also provide many facilities for the girl child. The government has also takes many steps for the girls, like in our government and some private hospitals. The girl was born, the government has also provided some money for the girls to provided a life has good, and the government has also provide free study in girls school and some government schools of India. The government is also provide, the girl is also to take very high educate in a 10th standard to get good percentage. So the government has also provide laptop, scooty, etc. and in a 12th standard, so the girl has good educate in our stream. So the government has also provide some appliances and free study for at the next level. In our NDA job, in our NDA job, the government has also provided girls facility. After some years, the girls were not to go in NDA, but this time the girls are also going NDA, and the girls are also go in the politics. In a politics, 1/3 seats are represented by women, and the women are also make Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Minister, etc. and to take our India for India is a democratic country to now for the India, and the people are in many states. The government has to take a step for the save girls and educate girl child, because in our many states like Haryana has a very female fostericide, because the people thought the girls are a pressure and another way for the people, and they not to show the girls are very useful, and the girl play many roles in our society like daughter, mother, sister, wife, etc. The daughter is take care of family and her members of family, and the sister has a good friend of her brother and take cares everyone. The wife has also make before marriage, and the wife takes everyone role and to respect elders, and a good wife is to respect elders and don't judge anyone, and a mother has no words to say, but mother is a very character to show a woman, and mother to represent a very useful character for the personality of women. The women are very emotional, and very emotional the persons are to enjoy for this emotional feeling, because the girls are also afraid in love marriage along with somebody and love affairs, and this was a bad thing for girls because they are emotional to involve in these things, and the girls are not involved in things. The girls are involved in women empowerment. The many girls like Indira Gandhi, Savitribai Phule, Kalpana Chawla, Amrita Shiva, etc. These women are to take a women empowerment. Indira Gandhi was the first Prime Minister in India, and in Vasundhara Raje was good for to encourage the feeling of women empowerment and encourage the feeling of women to make a good, and the women are to gain name and fame for different sectors, like to make a job and to make a very great officer, and the women are to take a very initiative feelings for to go this jobs, and women are make a very high level officers like IAS, IAS, RAS, etc. And the women are involved in Bollywood, Hollywood serials and came name and fame for each others, and the girls are to high level encouraged, so he also earned money and to provided her family members, so he also to encourage our lifestyles, and the girls are to take a very precious thing, and the girls are very enormous, and the girls are to take as a many activity sector. The girls are in this time of India, the girls are go school and take study and to take good name and fame. Thank you.